everyone, I am Abigail Allison from BSed Math I-1, and today I will talk about the human acts and how it affect individual relationship and society. But first things first, what is human act? So human act is an action that is chosen and done with knowledge and intention. In other words, this action is completely voluntary and we have utter knowledge of what we are doing. So how is human act affects our relationship to others and the society? So let's break it down. Human act have an impact on relationship, and the most common is trust and betrayal. If our actions are built with trust like honesty, loyalty, it will strengthen the relationship. However, if we betray and not being honest to our partner, then the relationship can be destroyed. Like for example, na ay couple and very open sila to each other and they promised nga no secrets between them. So the relationship is built with trust. However, one of them is keeping a secret to the other one. Like ibutang tanga, ga-cheat ba ron? Then, nahibawan sa iyang partner. So na-broke ang trust. And we all know nga ang relationship nga walay trust is mabungkag yun. So why is this a human action? Because the one who cheated kay completely aware sa iyang action. Another impact of human act on relationship is support and neglect. If we give our support and care to our loved ones, then it can strengthen the bonds and create a sense of security. On the other hand, if we neglect our loved ones, then it can weaken the relationship. Like for instance, ang papa is a single parent and gusto niya ihatag tanan sa iyang anak. So go work good siya, work ari, work adto, while doing this, na-neglect na di ay niya iyang anak. Iyang anak nga kanang ga-crave good sa iyang attention and support. So ang iyang anak is distant na kayo noon niya. Kay lagi na feel nga unseen or kanang unheard, leading to feelings of loneliness and resentment. Human act not just impact our relationship to others as well as in our society. So most common issue is the pollution. Our human actions are the primary driver of pollution. A lot of human activities contribute to pollution like the factories, transportation, waste disposal, and other more. Kani nga mga action kay maka-worse gid sa pollution. Like if pataka ra kag labay sa imong basura, like sa yuta nimo labay, sa dagat, sa kanang other nga or bisag asa, naka-contribute na sa pollution. So let's be responsible pod sometimes sa atong mga waste. Ay not sometimes but every time sa atong mga waste. Kay kita ra ba gapuyo sa kalibutan. Another one is social norms and values. Our positive actions like acts of charity, kanang nagapromote siya og sense of community and social responsible. However, our negative actions like criminal behavior or like discrimination kay nag-create siya instability. Like for example, sa jeep, if naa gani mo sakay nga tiguang and wala lain lingkuranan, automatically kanang nagi passenger nga mo-offer sa iyahang seat, and this action promote values nga dapat natong practiceon every day. In essence, human actions, whether big or small, have an effect that extend beyond the individual. They shape the quality of our relationships and the character of our society. So we should be mindful always sa atong mga actions kay it's either makalipay na sa tawo or makapasakit og tawo. And that's all. Thank you.